Yes, sir.
I'm of
Sir,
opinion that.
I also want to ask a question.
Hmm.
Sir, is there anything in your life which motivates you a lot?
Yeah, that's a good question. First of all, the self motivation works a lot. Okay, I actually don't get motivation from outside. If it comes from outside, it would be interim. It will not last long. But what gets you success is the self motivation. You know why? Because if you want to succeed in your life, you have to devote yourself all the time, every moment. But let's say if you get motivation from outside, then you will not be working all the time. You will need the person to say or to ask you to do, right?
Yes, sir.
And the mind has the tendency to forget. Let's say you listen to a motivator now, and then you have a tendency to forget. So when you come home, you are again stuck in certain things in life, yeah, in illusion of life, and then you forget your aim. Whereas if you want to succeed in your life, you have to keep your aim all the time in your mind to succeed. And it can be done only if you are self motivated. Okay, so
Yes,
yes,
sir.
I mean, if you talk about my source of motivation, yeah, I it was like self motivation. And there can be certain reasons behind it. The reason is like appreciation. I'm after appreciation. When people appreciate me, I like listening, listening to good words about me. Let's say if I dance, if I speak in English, I mean in the past, right? So in my learning days, so when I learned it newly, right, so people commended, and then it actually motivated me to do more, because people appreciated me, and I was commended by people. So I love doing it. Yeah, let's say I
Yes, sir.
dance and after that people commend. Okay, so I love doing it because I am after appreciation. So I would love to do anything which brings about appreciation. Okay, so that motivates me. And one more thing motivates me is criticism. When people criticize me, when I do something and people criticize me, then it motivates me more. Yes, because when people criticize me, I wish to respond to them, and I wish to hush them up, right, by my performance, because actions speak louder than words,
Yes, sir.
right? So yes, that's my tendency. So criticism also motivates me to perform better. One more thing is there. The expectation of people motivates me. When people expect something out of me, when people expect, yeah, I can do it, it motivates me because their expectation is behind that. So because of their expectation, not just because of my desire, but just because they expect me to do, just because of their expectation, I wish to do. So it motivates me to do because they want me to do. So it can be anybody, it can be anyone. So these all are the factors that motivated me in my life.
And sir, this is the nature of yours which motivates others.
Okay, this nature of mine motivates others.
Yes, sir.
Has it motivated you?
Yes, sir. It is too motivating. Its self motivation should be there. Yes, sir.
So this is the cause. Yeah, self motivation works. Let's say if you listen to a motivator, right? It will actually not work. I'm telling you. Yeah, it will work
Yes, sir.
just for a short period. Then after, I mean, just in the session, you feel ballooned, right? But just when the session is over, you come back home. Again, you are entangled in illusion, in so many thoughts, in so many distractions, right? So many things will be there distracting you.